Hi everyone, it's Genene. When I released my couch yoga for shoulders video by special request, then I got an additional request for it to be made appropriate for seniors. So this video has been senior tested and approved, and I've divided it into two videos. So the first video today is going to be arms in the front plane. All you need is either a couch or a chair, and please remember to click the subscribe button if you haven't already. That way you'll be supporting my channel, and also you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. And remember to like this video at the end if you liked it, and let me know in the comments what really worked for you and which video you want to see in the future. Let's get started. Come to sitting in your couch or your chair with your feet underneath your knees. We'll be seated the entire time. Your breathing will be in and out through your nose the entire class. So no matter what we're doing, your focus is your breath. So with your hands either on your thighs or on the seat of your chair or couch, let's draw some shoulder circles. So just circle your shoulders forward. Nice round circles. Let's start with some big circles. And then really little circles, maybe the size of a quarter. And now big circles backwards. Feel the shoulder joints getting lubricated. And now using completely different muscle groups, using the muscles differently. Small circle. Now, sun salutation A arm circles. Let's call them that. Stretch your arms out in front of you. Inhale, all the way overhead, and then hands come together. Exhale in front of your heart. Inhale, stretch your arms out and up, and exhale, hands in front of your heart. Now the opposite way around, sort of. Arms out to the side to start. Inhale. Maybe you can bring the palms together, maybe not. And then exhale, hands in front of your heart. Inhale, stretch out and up. So if you're in a crowded classroom, you would always bring your arms out in front. Otherwise, arms out to the side, unless you have shoulder issues. Then you probably would feel like arms out in front is better. See what works for you. Let's interlace our fingers and press your palms out in front of you. And then inhale, arms overhead. Exhale, arms back down by your side. So while you're doing this, you're gazing straight ahead at something that's not moving, not allowing the head to move. So inhale up and exhale down. Inhale, and you're only going as far as your tighter side allows it. Keep your arms straight. And inhale, stretch. Exhale, back in front. And then inhale, arms overhead. Hold here, pressing more through the wrist of the thumb side, all the way from the wrist up through the thumb and down through the pinky fingers. Maybe the arms reach back a little further, and then exhale, arms back down into your lap. Interlace your fingers the other way. So whichever index finger was on top, put the other one, and then stretch the arms out in front. And again, inhale, arms up and down. On an exhale. Inhale up and exhale down. Can you notice the difference just with this different clasp? You're getting more sensitive to what goes on in your body here. And down. Inhale up. Exhale down, and inhale up. Stay here. Reach up through both sides of your arms, and more particularly through the thumb side, and then pull back down through the pinky fingers. Notice those two actions. How do you feel that in your shoulders? And then exhale, release the arms down. Inhale, arms out to the side. Exhale, cross right arm, upper arm over left upper arm. Just like that. Inhale, out to the side. Exhale, cross right arm up left. Inhale and exhale. This time, we're going to inhale, arms out to the side. Exhale, cross, bend the elbows, and maybe you can bring those forearms together and press the palms together. It depends on how you're built. Let's try that again. Inhale, arms out to the side. Exhale, cross right upper arm over left. Bend at the elbows. And then forearms come into the midline and maybe palms come together. And since we're here, inhale, lift your elbows higher. Exhale, bring them down. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. And one more. Inhale, lift, exhale, come back to center. And inhale, arms out to the sides. Let's do the left. Exhale, cross. Inhale, out to the side. Exhale, left upper arm crosses over right. Inhale, out, stretch through the fingertips. And exhale, cross. And inhale, exhale, cross, bend at the elbows. Palms maybe come together. Inhale, arms out to the side. Exhale, cross, left arm over right, bend at the elbows. Maybe the hands come together, maybe not. And then inhale, lift the elbows up. And exhale, lower. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. And inhale, lift. And exhale, lower. Inhale, stretch your arms out to the sides. Turn your palms face up. Inhale, reach your arms overhead. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Feel how much better this feels. Hands come together, down in front of your heart. And then give yourself a nice big imaginary hug. Thank yourself for taking the time for your yoga practice today. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you again very soon. Namaste.